बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप सो आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में आप लोगों के साथ फर्स्ट ईयर के चैप्टर नंबर 1 केमिस्ट्री के शॉर्ट आंसर शेयर करूँगी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट आर स्टिचियोमेट्रिक एजम्पशंस। हमने बताना है कि स्टिचियोमेट्रिक एजम्पशंस कौन सी हैं, क्या है। व्हेन स्टिचियोमेट्रिक कैलकुलेशंस आर परफॉर्म्ड वी हैव टू अज्यूम द फॉलोइंग कंडीशंस. All reactants are completely converted into the product. No side reaction occur while doing calculation. The law of conservation of mass and law of definite proportion are obeyed. Question number 2 है, how a limiting reactant control the amount of product formed in a chemical reaction. Limiting reactant is that which is present in lesser amount and control the amount of product formed in a chemical reaction because it is consumed earlier due to its small amount according to the balanced chemical equation. Question number 3 है, define limiting and non-limiting reactant. Limiting reactant is that which is present in lesser amount and control the amount of the product formed in a chemical reaction. Non-limiting reactant, the reactant which is present in excess and remain there is a reaction mixture at the end of reaction is called non-limiting reactant or excess reactant. Question number 4, how limiting reactant is identified while doing stoichiometric calculation. Calculate the number of mole from the given amount of reactant. Find out the number of mole of product with the help of balanced chemical equation. Identify the reactant which produces the least amount of product as limiting reactant. Question number 5, law of conservation of mass has to be obeyed during stoichiometric calculation. The amount of product formed are to be calculated on the basis of the amount of reactant consumed or vice versa. If any of the mass is lost during the chemical reaction, then it is not possible to ascertain which reagent is destroyed and how much of it is destroyed. Question number 6 है, many chemical reaction taking place in our surrounding involve the limiting reactant. All chemical reactions certainly involve limiting reactant, otherwise no chemical reaction is stopped. If we are burning wood in air, the oxygen available is in very large amount, but it is the wood which is consumed first and reaction will stop. No individual neon atom has a mass of 20.18 AMU. Yes, there is no individual atom in the simple with this atomic mass. Actually, 20.18 AMU is the average of atomic masses of all the isotopes, and their relative abundance is 90.92, 0.257, 8.882. Next, 1 mole of H2SO4 should completely react with 2 mole of NaOH. How Avogadro number help to explain this fact? 1 mole of H2SO4 contain Avogadro number of H2SO4 molecule. Each molecule H2SO4 produce 2 hydrogen ions, so twice the Avogadro number of H positive ion are produced, which need the same number of hydroxyl ion to form water. 1 OH ion is given by 1 NaOH, therefore we need twice the Avogadro number of NaOH molecule which are available in 2 mole of NaOH. 1 mole of H2O has 2 mole of bond, 3 mole of atom, 10 mole of electron and 28 mole of the total fundamental particle present in it. N2CO has same number of electron, proton and neutron. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यही था आज का लेक्चर। होप्स आप लोगों को शॉर्ट आंसर्स की समझ आ गई होगी। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। मिलती हूँ अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।